Hello, this is Marcus Montemayor. Today is Friday, November 23rd, 2018. This is week 4 of my biology and anatomy class. Um, in week 4, I am supposed to outline the organs of the lymphatic system and other parts, including, let me see, thymus, spleen, tonsils, appendix, Peyer's patches, cervical lymph nodes, and axillary lymph nodes. So let's start off with the thymus. The thymus is placed superior to the heart. It's in front of the heart, really. And then the spleen is on our left side, on our abdominal. It's placed right here. And then for tonsils would be in the back of your throat, and an appendix is right inferior to the large intestine, and Peyer's patches would be right next to that. That's where the ileum is, and then sorry about that. And then cervical lymph nodes would be right up here. This is where most doctors check if you have an infection or whatever. And then axillary lymph nodes would be in the axillary region. These lymph nodes gets swell up from like things like lymphedema, from like something like a mastectomy, or something like that. Then says spend 2 minutes describing the flow of lymph through the body. To be honest, I had a hard time with lymph at first, but I kind of get it now. So, in the lymph system, well, in our cardiovascular system, our arteries, blood goes through our arteries, and they hit arterioles and capillaries, and in the capillaries there are vessels. Our blood pushes fluid into lymph vessels, and these lymph vessels contain fluid. So, but the only weird thing is they don't have a pump or a valve. So how does lymph fluid return back to the heart or wherever it needs to go? Well, it returns to the heart, but the way lymph fluid does this is like is just like veins. Veins have valves, so um, lymph has one-way valves that when lymph fluid goes through it, it closes, and lets fluid pass by. But how if there's no pump, what makes all the lymph fluid go back to the heart is the question. Well, the the answer to that is uh, like our skeletal muscles. Our skeleton. Every time we use our skeletal muscles, we move or whatever, it helps push the fluid back up to the subclavian vein. And we also have smooth muscle that helps push the fluid back into the vein. So where does all this fluid go? Well, even from the legs, from our extremities, it comes all the way back up and enters our subclavian vein, our right and left subclavian vein, and then dumps into our superior vena cava, and then back into our heart. And that's it.